Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'll be sharing some more organic traffic tips, guys, that you can use today on social media, guys, wherever you're using, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. You can pretty much apply these tips to any one of them. Okay, tip number one, guys, you want to look very presentable on your profile, guys. So right here, I pretty much showcase what I do. Um, Even some of the hobbies, um, artist, online entrepreneur, freedom fighter, sharing the journey, guys. Of course, I got my link right there. And I've been sharing some of the hobbies and things that I'm into, guys. And of course, just sharing photos, guys, about the things I do. Of course, some inspirational quotes, guys. I find these are pretty good to do because a lot of people who know nothing about you can easily engage with these as well. So I like to mix that in with personal things. Of course, every once in a while, I'll do something kind of fun like this that people can kind of engage with as well. But just post things about yourself, guys, things that you're doing, guys. Make it all look nice and presentable, very fresh. If you scroll up right here, guys, for any of you who want to know how I actually got this photo edited, guys, um, I actually use a program called Canva. Now, if you go to Google, Canva, let's do that. Canva.com. All right, so Canva, it's a program you can use. And I'm not an affiliate for this program in any way. This is simply a free program I use to do a lot of editing, guys. It's very easy to use, and of course, it's free. So I pretty much use that to uh, make this sign right here, guys, point to my link below, and nicely edit these pictures and get them nice and clean in this frame. So I thought that was something I could share with people who are wondering. Anyway, so one thing you can utilize, I'm pretty sure Instagram has something like this too, and TikTok is stories, right? So for Facebook, we got Facebook stories. And you want to be posting these on a daily basis as well, guys, because for each time someone clicks on your profile, this is something they're going to see. So you can be using that to promote whatever you're doing, or if there's something you want to show off, guys, you can put it in your stories, and immediately when someone clicks your profile picture, that's what they're going to see. And I think that's extremely useful. I've gotten a ton of engagement from the stories, and from there, it's a lot easier to message people and follow up. So you're not messaging cold people who know nothing about you, and they're asking, "Hey, why are you on my profile?" Because you have no reason to message them in the first place. So I find that's a good way to get engagement on your post, engagement on your profile in general, guys. So definitely utilize the Facebook stories as well. Um, Also, Facebook groups that you can engage in too. So if you're an affiliate, guys, for whatever program, whether it's the 10x or something else, you can also engage with other affiliates, guys, who are in this type of niche, and try to relate to them from there, guys. That's also another easy thing to do, to strike up some really good, very relatable conversations. I hope this video was helpful to you all today, guys. If you want to see more organic tips, guys, and me cover this a little bit more in depth, just let me know in the comments below, guys. As usual, I do have the links to the tax income system page right here, which is an automated system that you can use to get unlimited 297 in commissions, guys. Uh, as usual, guys, I hope this information was helpful. Links to this page are in the description below. See you next time.